then go turn the wheels so they're going straight. So you get the feel for it. Go a little bit that way. Like this. Straight. Okay, now you ready? We're gonna go.
Yeah. We're ready, Chad. Now, do I just steer?
Yep, you're driving it.
You're steering.
Oh.
Turn it straight so you're going towards that blue truck. Turn it. You gotta turn that wheel, honey. There you go.
Who's holding that? Go straight.
See your wheels, straighten it out. Listen to Chad's instructions, you'll do just fine.
Oh, so let's go around that and then.
Let's go around that. We'll go towards the blue truck and we'll go around this little circle right here. Oh, go straight. Straighten it out. Oh, you're doing nice. Nice work. Nice work. A little bit that way. Other way. Yep, go that way a little bit. Okay, now start turning it the other way. There you go. Oh, slam that thing as hard as you can. Yep, keep going.
Okay, keep going, Bridget.
Keep it turning.
Bridget, you can drive any you want. Oh, we can try that truck.
Okay, now start straightening it out.
Fast, honey, straighten her out. There you go. See that little knob? You can use that knob even. There you go. There you go. There you go. Use those arm muscles.
Now can I trip into